here goes another one that's not too long, mainly because I'm not feeling very motivating, because I'm not very motivated. And why is that? Well, work again, and got a holiday coming up. In fact, I'm going away tomorrow to Bilbao. So what am I doing about it? Well, very luckily, because I'm still tracking, I haven't gained, but I haven't lost any weight this week. But I'm 89 weeks in, as the title suggests, and I'm not too worried about it. But I've decided I've gone from one plateau to another plateau to another plateau, and I've moved nowhere in 6 months. Now, some of that is because I'm relatively happy with my shape, but I know I could be lighter, I know I could be fitter. So what am I doing? Well, I've carried on going to the gym because I actually enjoy it, and I think that puts me in a mental state that I know, because I'm looking after my body in that regard, I need to look after what I put into it. But life is getting in the way, and the thing that's getting in the way the most is a cheeky Greggs. I said it last week and the week before, I can't stop stopping there. But this weekend I went home, and as you know, I'm fond of a fashion bargain, and which is why I'm wearing this silly shirt, this silly sweatshirt. It was cheap, but I went to 𝐇𝐎𝐿, and they had some Ralph Lauren jeans there. Now, I've never been fortunate enough to either fit into a pair of Ralph Lauren jeans or be able to afford them, but these were just over 40 quid, and nothing special about them, they just have that Ralph Lauren name, and I've normally been the extra baggy supermarket jeans type guy. Buy them for 15 quid, but mind you, they've gone up to 25 lately, and look like crap. Then the pockets fall out about 3 months later. I thought, well, if these things were 200 quid new, they're only 40 quid, I deserve them. I probably don't, but I do. So I tried them on, and I was chuffed, they fit, but they didn't look quite right. So there's my motivation, a pair of jeans that are going to look quite right. So I'm going to have this holiday, and then I'm going to be back on it. So next week you'll see probably a slightly larger me, because Bilbao, pink sauce, beer, and other temptations. But I'm going to be back on it. So thanks for keeping on watching, and I'm not going to say happy with that this week, because I'm not that happy with me. However, I am still tracking, I am still being aware, and I am still doing this because 89 weeks ago I said I would, and I think, if nothing else, once a week it makes me think about my weight loss, or in the current situation, my lack of. So have you got any tips for things you can do for motivation? I'd love to hear them. In fact, I really need to hear them. And next week I should be back as a man with a plan. Hey, that sounds like a good YouTube title. See you soon, guys. Love you loads.